I'm giving up. I really am giving up. I need to give up. Have you ever just wanted to quit? Give it all up and start over? Well, I'm gonna do it. Kinda. Yarn Talk Monday. I'm giving up. Hey guys, it's me, Angie, in the yarn room. I'm making a quick Yarn Talk Monday because I'm waiting for my friend to come and pick me up. I said, where are we going? She goes, we're traveling the world. So you know what that means? We're gonna go yarn shopping. Okay, so what I wanted to talk about today is I'm giving up. I am giving up. And it's true. I'm not giving up YouTube though. Not you guys. So I'm giving up doing markets. I did it my whole life. I've always been a crafter. I'm tired. I want to make things because they're fun and not because I have to make a million of them because they'll sell. But if I get on a kick where I make a million of them, and I'll give them to my daughter, and then I'll just tell her, instead of me going in half with the booth again, you can just keep half of whatever I sell. Now, this past weekend, remember, she was in Comic-Con and I had stuff in there and I didn't think I was going to do very well. My husband also sold comic books there. He sold a few comic books. And I made $340, I think. And that's pretty good. I mean, it's okay. At Comic-Con, I think I would have liked to make $1,000. They did. But, you know, I didn't have very many things. You know, I was slacking at the end there, you know. So, okay, so I actually made myself a little list of stuff to talk about because I always forget what I want to talk about, right? Let's see, the Comic-Con. I already said that. Oh my gosh. Yes, because I want less stress. That's on my list. I said all this stuff. Oh yeah, then I just want to focus on you guys. I love my channel. This is what's keeping me going. This and my my crochet meetings, in-person crochet meetings, and my online crochet group here. Love y'all. I want to just focus on working on things that I love. I'm trying to make something to wear. I didn't bring it here because I'm kind of scared of it. But if I get it done and I work it out, you're going to see. And I will just tell you that I'm working with the Red Heart Granny Square skeins, but I'm not using it as a granny skein, making granny squares. So look forward to that. And then what else? There was something else I just thought about and it wasn't on my list. Guess what I bought? It's a coffee warmer. And if it turns out good, if it works out well for me, I haven't opened it yet. Oh, unboxing! Unboxing! I've never done an unboxing. If it works out well for me, I'm going to put it on my Amazon storefront because that's where I got it from, Amazon. How do you get it out of here? Okay, at least it's really, really secure. Okay. Instructions, which I'll never read. Because what do? You just plug it in, right? Plug it in, plug it in. Okay, so if it works out well for me, I'm going to tell you about it. I haven't used it yet. I'm not going to use it because, like I said, I'm waiting for my friend. And she threatened that she was going to be here in 5 minutes. No, actually, she said she was leaving the house in 5 minutes. And I can see her location on my phone. That girl's still there. Oh, my gosh. Okay, what else? What else? I had a coffee meeting with Allegra on Sunday and another friend, Isabel. I say her name because y'all don't know her. Anyways, we met at a coffee shop and it was so good. I had never had a latte in my life. Sorry, I just drink straight coffee. And if they don't have it, I don't drink anything. So at this place, I said they had no coffee and I didn't want Vietnamese coffee. You know, I'm just so picky. And I know latte is more of a milky drink, like for the kids and stuff or whatever they say. That's what they said. That's what it's called. Latte is, I think, is milk. Anyways, little milk or something. I don't know. I don't know, people. Anyways, I had that and it was so good. So I'm going to go back there again. And it was nice meeting there with my friend Isabel and Allegra. I'll put some pictures right here of Allegra's blanket and then some funny pictures that Allegra put on. If you follow her, Allegra's channel, then I don't know if she makes it. Oh, there's a fly. I don't think she posted on there. Okay, never mind. Forget about it. I'll show you pictures. My week has been a little crazy. I didn't go to the meeting on Thursday because I just felt so tired and sick. And actually now, my butt hurts. And what I mean by that are my butt bones. That's not the other thing. Anyways, it hurts to sit. My bones are hurting, and it's because of the weather. When the weather changes, I feel everything. And yeah, so, and I'm working on my AI video. AI challenge is done. I'm gonna put it up soon. I want to put this Yarn Talk Monday first because I'm running late making it, because this is actually Monday for me, and you know I like to make it on Sundays. But I'm gonna put that up the beginning of the week because it's ready to go. It's ready to go. And now I'm ready to go. Thank you for coming to visit me in the yarn room. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And if you have, don't forget to like. Even if you didn't subscribe, like my video and watch it all the way through. I'm not going to edit this because I want to hurry up. I think it was okay. What do you think? It's all right. I'm not going to edit it because I don't want it to get stuck in the cloud or whatever. Because sometimes it takes forever if I start editing and putting a lot of stuff. I think I'm just going to add some photos and stuff. I might put photos of the Comic-Con setup that they put up at Comic-Con. I think that's it, guys. Love you. Go visit my storefront and see what's there. I have things that you might like that people have asked about. So go see. There's a fly flying around and it's bothering the heck out of me. Anyways, gotta go. See you later, people. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Look, I made a cover for my band. It's one of the stretchy bands from Apple. And it got way too loose for me. See, it still is. And I thought, oh, I would like it to have a scrunchie around it. So I made it out of chenille from the Dollar Tree. And I made it just a tube that was really long. So when I put it on, it would shrink, crinkle. And I put it on the band. And then I attached the band back onto my Apple Watch. That's so cute. And I'm wearing out of rings, people, because my rings are not fitting. Even my wedding ring doesn't fit me. It's too big. And so I have to have this smaller one that used to be my pinky ring that now is getting kind of loose as a guard. But I'm gonna ask for more rings from James Avery because I love them, and I'll tell Eddie, I need one. Look at my puny little fingers. They need rings. Okay, I said I was gonna go. I better go. Bye. Love y'all. Outtakes. Yarn Talk Monday. Me, Angie, sitting on the floor. Who's gonna come help me get up? Who's gonna help me up? Thought y'all were gonna help me up. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. I got it. Woohoo! Okay. Don't worry, I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing shorts, people. I'm wearing shorts. It's okay. It's all right. You still there? What are you still doing there? Go home. Go crochet. Do something nice.